We're going to show a couple clips and then also a clip from Song Delay. And this one, this is a silent film. So,
It is,
yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you what you're seeing here. This is actually a document film made during Gordon Matta-Clark's work on Days End. And so you see him hoisting himself up on this lift, and he's going to be cutting the. Do you want to go? Yeah. So eventually you see him then, obviously it's another day, he's got a shirt on here. But you see him cutting the west, what's called an oculus. It's a kind of cat's eye cut in the corrugated siding of the pier. That's the cut that you saw in the photograph that I showed you before. It's one of maybe 7 cuts that he made in the pier, including in the floor, but also in the ceiling and the roof and the side. So you get a sense of the shape of the cut, and this is actually what gives the work its name, because when the day ends, the sun is in the west over New Jersey, and it shines directly through this oculus. You see here that once he's kind of cut the whole thing, it's just kind of hanging there by an edge, and eventually, of course, it's pulled down, and you see that amazing sun-filled, light-filled hole in the end of the pier. Did I go beyond that? Okay, so this is Jonas's Song Delay, and this is just the beginning, so you can get a sense of the film. It's an extremely beautiful picture. I mean, the intensity of the film print is very beautiful. So this is that puppet up here. This is Jonas, actually. So you see those buildings are actually in New Jersey. That's what the telephoto lens brings the buildings right up to the piers, which is pretty close down. And as I understand it, actually, that just happened. That wasn't planned. We were shooting, and that ship just appeared. So it's quite perfect. Okay.